read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? Our today's lesson is about uppercase and lowercase letter I. Today we will identify it. We will pronounce its sound, vocabulary words and short story. So let's start. How to write it, how to pronounce it. Start from the first line. Come straight down, make sleeping line, make another sleeping line. It will make capital I. Start from the second line, come straight down, put a dot on the top. It will make small I. The letter name is I. The sound of I is E. Injection. E. Injection. I. Igloo, ink pot, ice cream, iguana. There are two sounds of letter I. In nursery class, we will introduce both sounds. Okay? So, it's story time. In a snowy igloo, an iguana ate ice cream. It's cold and yummy. It found a small ink pot. It dipped its tail in the ink. The iguana used the ink to draw pictures. Oh my God. Now look over here. Include others. Invite others to join the game. Do you know about it? When you will play a game, you should join others. Okay? I hope so. You enjoyed a lot. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.